Hi friends, in this video we will learn about a concurrency in our storage account. So there are two types of concurrency. One is you can say ETag based, in which we will maintain the tag, or you can say consider as a reference number. With the help of that we will say, hey, if tag has been changed, means if someone modify our file, then this is changed, and the tag has been changed, and if it's changed, then means our system will identify this is already done. Means updation already has been done on a same file, and you don't have this latest file, so it will throw an error. And another way is pessimistic, in which we will acquire a lock on file for some time, like this, acquire a lease for some time. During that time no one can access that file and modify that file. Right now let's check this file and see the content of this file. Now you are able to see these are the content of this file. Now we will update this, and through our code using optimistic way, means ETag. So in this code, if you are able to see, first we will print our ETag, okay, and then we will wait, means if you to give a time so that you can try to modify, and after that means if it will check this match, if it's you can say original tag, means we can go ahead for this. Otherwise, if it's not there, then it's changed, then it will throw an exception. Let's do one thing, let's run this. So for that, let's close all this extra stuff, and let me open this, revealing integrated terminal, and here we will say .net run, and here let's say try to modify this and save. Now it will throw an exception because this has been changed. Okay, let's wait. So now we have another program for now. Your update failed because the below modified by another process, so it's failed. Now if you run this again, and then let's check this blob there. Now if you check this, it's the same. Now let's run this program again, then it will means update because we are not doing anything with this blob. And another way is lease. So if you check this, then in this code we are first acquiring a lease and giving the ID there. So let's change this to upload, and file name is notice.txt. Okay, and here also we need to update our connection string. Let's copy this. Let's copy this and paste here as well. Now let's check the output of this. Now blob updated successfully. Let's check this. Let's refresh, and now you're able to see. Okay, now check the pessimistic one. cd pessimistic .net so blob while lease has active, lease is leased. Okay, so in a pessimistic we first will require our lease, and when we're done with our task then we are leasing that. Okay, thank you, thanks for your time guys.